So you can start from the beginning. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll start. So this is the login page as of now, and we have to customize this. So I had earlier 1 year back, I had done it according to my theme and my topics. So we have the option of changing entire theme as it is. Okay. So to change it, we can just work how to change it.
Yeah.
I'll let
So
you
first,
know.
to reach to this page, we have to type address is learn.
learnwithyo.knorish.com. So probably I will put this
learnwithyou.knorish.com. Okay.
I'll
Perfect.
give it that as well.
Yeah. No, it's okay. It is getting recorded, so no problem.
So this is the website. So once you click it, you can just enter into it. So I'm just logging in. Currently, it's my Gmail ID.
Okay.
But obviously, password is different. It's not same as that of Gmail. So yeah, I'm using caps disco at 123. That is the login password as of now. So after this, I'll give both of you the username and password that we're using currently. You can just go in and you can explore for yourself as well. So as soon as we enter, okay, we are getting this page, get started, quick start guide. So here you have all the videos to learn how the entire platform works. Okay, this is a backup for all of us. Okay, but I'm going to take you through each and every step. And one more benefit is, has anybody bought the Zoom account as well? I mean, does anyone have Zoom yearly plan or monthly plan?
I don't have.
I'm using. Yes, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, I'm using my client's account for me.
Okay,
so
that's great. So we need not worry. This Knorish platform have registered with Zoom, and they are giving us features of Zoom, both Zoom meeting and Zoom webinar.
Oh, very good.
So that is one of the added advantage for all of us. So we can save like for monthly 100 participants itself, I'm paying close to 999 or something. So that is a rotary discount that we've got. And yearly means, okay, it is 12,000, coming to 12,000. So which we are again saving because of this platform. This additional platform that has been added this year. So yeah.
Okay, I would probably need it because I was planning to buy one. So I
yeah, very good.
Yeah, so
it has become 2-in-1 for us now.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
So I'll just show you how we can create the Zoom event as well and the course. Both I'll just show you. So we have to go to this courses. Okay, in the left hand side, we are seeing various menu. Okay, so we have to go to courses, login courses. Okay, and these are already various courses that have been published. Okay, but I'll be deleting a few courses which are not wanted here. I'll be deleting that. And this has a feature of creating unlimited courses. So it's not that one person can create just one course. You can have multiple courses on this platform as well. And each course will have a separate landing page. So that makes it even more simple. Okay, so that you need not worry that, okay, in my landing page, I'll land up with some other course. So it's not going to be like that. For every particular course, we can create a single landing page, which will explain about that particular page. Okay, so once we enter into courses, so here we see live sessions at the top, courses, bundles, live sessions. Yeah, so we have to go to live sessions. And here we can create the Zoom account. I mean Zoom thing. Okay. So once we go into live session, okay, we have not created any. Okay, sorry. We go back to courses. So this live session will help us after we create the. I mean, after we create the meeting ID, then we can go into live session and start our meeting. But before that, we go into courses, and here we have the option of creating a new course. So we just click on this new course. we are entering course name. For instance, we will say joint meeting. Okay, just creating it as a joint meeting. I'm saying create. It's very user friendly. So okay, so here there are two things: add section and add live section. So since our Zoom meeting is going to be a live one, so we'll click on add live section. So now, is it going to be a single session? That is one time session, or multiple session, whereas it is going to reoccur for a certain period of time, or is it going to be an ongoing session? In our TLC case, it's going to be an ongoing session, so we can use this for TLC as well. So I'm planning to change the TLC ID from my Zoom ID to this one as well very soon. So suppose I'm just using single session as of now, okay, and I'll say continue. Yeah, so here it has okay, so I'm giving a session name. I have to give I'll give as joint meeting 1, joint meeting 1. Okay, start date. I want to start okay for today, and maybe time I'll change it as I'll advance it as 12:20 so that we can go and check the live session as well. Okay, so from 12:20 and end time is it is 1:12, the same day. So it is just for one. We can adjust the time as we want. So maybe I'm making it for 1 hour training. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
12:20 to 1:20, and that's it. I have to just save it. So if I want to add any image here, I can add that, and that would be displayed while I am sending this link to the participants.
I think they have options of image also, right? If you click on select image, they have options of images.
I'll just check it. No, it's directly taking me to my personal system.
Okay, fine.
So as of now, I'll just leave it blank. Just a moment. Okay, give me just 2 minutes. I'll be back. It's my daughter calling. Just 2 minutes.
No problem. So, Ramanira, sir, how to pronounce your name, sir?
Rama Amirdam.
Rama
Amirdam. But you can call me Rama. That's probably better, easy.
Yeah. So you are into what kind of courses, sir? What do you do?
I am into entrepreneurship success smiles coaching, sir. I call myself entrepreneur success smiles coach. So what I do is I help people to tap into a state where they can continue to perform the way they want. They will become unstoppable.
Okay, very good.
In terms of power and balance. So some techniques, some routines daily in the morning, afternoon, and night, all that. That's one. But other than that, I do trainings, and also I'm a CBT therapist and NLP trainer as well.
Oh.
So yeah. Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Mumbai, sir.
Mumbai. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you do? I know your name. I have seen a lot of times in the meetings, but we didn't have. Probably we need to do one-to-one sometime.
Yeah. We
you are also part of BNI. BNI. You are.
No, I'm a part of TLC.
TLC. Yeah, I know.
Not BNI.
I have seen in TLC.
But yeah, not in BNI. So yeah, I'm a happiness coach, organization development coach.
Okay.
And lifestyle coach.
Fantastic. Let's get connected.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, done. So I've just created this. We can add maybe okay.
It's okay. You can we can do it later.
That's image. Okay. We can do it later.
Image we can add later.
Yeah, I think one session can be permitted, right? That's how it should be, right? Or can we have multiple sessions?
At a time we can have only one session. So we have to coordinate between
us. And do it. Yeah.
That will be a challenge. So we'll just save it.
If they have multiple logins, I think they will be allowing multiple programs at a time. Because you said they are giving a multiple login, right? Or it is only one login?
No, it's only
Login will be only one, right? One user only we are paying
then
license,
only
right?
one.
Yeah. So
Okay.
so I'll just confirm here. Okay, so title is join meeting 1, Thursday, 27th January, 12:20 is the time, and it ends by 1:20. So I'm just confirming this. Okay, so they're just asking if you want to add more sections or do you want to proceed. So proceed to the pricings and settings. If we are charging any pricing for our webinar, we can add it here. Otherwise, we can make it free. When the course language, if it is going to be English, we are setting as English. Or if it's going to be some other language, we will have option to set that as well. Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Marathi, based on whatever is the language. For instance, maybe I'll take Hindi as a language, okay? And the course reader level. So maybe we might have multiple webinars, which is for beginner, intermediate and stuff. So for that purpose, we have this. We'll just check out what are the options. The beginner, elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, and advanced. So we have these different levels here. We can select whatever. For instance, maybe I'm choosing intermediate level. Price. If you want to put in INR, we can enter here. If you want to put in USD, we can enter here. We have both the options. So maybe let me, okay. So let us have it as 0 itself for now, because we are going to test this as well. So let it be 0. So I have set this as a featured course. I mean, when this is on, it means the course is featured and it is visible to public. But if I probably maybe my course is not yet ready, it is not yet fully published, then I can just drag this to left hand side so that it will not be visible to public. It will be visible to me, but it will not be visible to public. So I mean, since this is just a Zoom live session, I'll put it into public. And yeah, course expiry in days. Now this is applicable only when we have online course. For live sessions, it won't be applicable. So for instance, if we want somebody to access our course only for 100 days. So beyond that, the course will not be available. If we are making something of that sort, then we can use this particular column. Now here, course categories. Here I already have few trainings and I have set categories. So that is why these are appearing. I can create a new course category. So I'll just say add new category, and my category name would be Zoom webinars. Okay. So any Zoom webinar that I'm creating, I can add into this category. So I'm just giving a description live session. Now I have created this.
will this be a webinar or meeting?
We have both the options.
Okay.
We have
So
both the
I
options.
will-
When
I
we go
would
to
say-
live sessions, we'll have the option of selecting.
Okay.
Now I'll go back to courses again. So my course has been created, and let me just check. The joint meeting. So, but it is still being built up and it's not completely ready. So this is the page wherein I was building the course. I'll go back to this page. Okay, I don't know why. Okay.
See, you set a time at 12:20 and it is already 20. It might be the reason.
That shouldn't be a problem, sir. Or maybe I'll go into live session to see if there's any session that's on. Yeah, so this is already shown here. So this is how it will look like, sir. So
Go
do you want
live.
it as a meeting?
Meeting. Okay.
If I say meeting and I'll say go live, you've started
Yes.
meeting once saved, you won't be able to change it. And say yes.
Okay.
Session can be started only before 15 minutes. But it's already, acha, Jan 27th.
Okay.
Tomorrow. So probably I'll
Reschedule it.
and I'll change the date as today. So maybe here I have to change the timings now.
That's okay, no?
No. Maybe it'll show me the issues.
Past time, it's coming in the past. Okay.
Yeah. So I'll just save it. Yeah, at least 30 minutes.
That's what I thought. At least you need to plan 30 minutes before.
Okay.
So 1 o'clock you can share it.
So on demand, we cannot create like Zoom. Zoom, we can schedule anytime, right?
Anytime. So this has to be like only, when we are going to create any webinar course, it's not going to be like, I'm going to do now and I'll create the webinar course now. So we'll pre-schedule as we want participants to register it. So that's why they have these features. So,
so when the link goes, will it be like a Zoom link? I mean, they need to use.
I'm not sure. Let us just search. Let us just see that.
Okay, maybe you can schedule it for 30 minutes. But you were able to schedule it, within 10 minutes or something last time. Just try maybe after 10 minutes.
No, last time I had the date as 27.
Yeah. Right.
That's why it gave me the option. So now when I changed it to 26, it gave me this error, right?
Yeah.
I just saved it now. Just wait for some time. Okay. So I'm just confirming it's for today, 1:23 to 20 p.m. Is it confirm? I'm done. Proceed with pricing and setting. So here we have already added all these sessions. Course category, we have Zoom webinar that's added in. Course expiry, we don't want any expiry for this. So we are just leaving it blank. And here there is an option for certificate download. But this option is applicable only in the advanced course. Wherein from here itself, they can get this, participants can get certificate. So that option is only available in the advanced pay. So, okay. Even this one we have to enable, wherein it is like play the course after purchase. Like once people purchase this course, play it. They'll be able to use this. And we are not limiting course sales. It can be any number of participants who can enter. So I'm saying publish course. Okay. And I have an option of creating the landing page as well. So once I get into landing page, here I can select any theme that I want. For instance, currently they have given a theme, but then I can choose a template from below. They have several templates. So we can select we like.
Maybe each one of us have one landing page, something like that. We can do. Or
course we can set a different
each course can be separate.
Yeah. So I'll show a previous landing page that I have created for my course. So I'll just show it as a sample for you. But then we can just explore.
You can choose anything. You just choose the right hand side first and go enter. Or anything. First one also okay.
I've selected this page. Once selected, I will have option to edit everything. So I will just click on the text or image that I want to edit, and we have different symbols here.
That's okay. Yeah, it happens. Children.
Yashodhini, she don't bother. It's okay. Let her talk.
Yeah.
Yes. So we have to just click on the text or image that we have to change. And to our left hand side, we have these 4 options. So wherein I can change whatever I want. So if I click here, or I can also do a double click, I'll be able to change it. So for instance, I want this as joint meeting Zoom session. Okay. So to know more, click here. So even this click here, I can change. Instead of click here, if I want them to go to some page, or if I want them to go to checkout page, wherein if it is checkout page, they'll directly go to the purchasing page. So say go to checkout page. I have to select a link. So there are 4 courses, right? Joint meeting, Posh Awareness program. These are all my programs. So I'll click joint meeting. I want them to go to joint meeting purchasing page. So I'll click joint meeting. And the link is automatically created. Text. Instead of click here, I want to say buy now. Buy now. That's the text I am giving. So when they click here, it has to appear as a new window. So in that case, I can say new window. Say okay. So now click here has changed to buy now. Yeah. So I just come down. So here I can explain about my Zoom session. What is it all about? So I can do all the changes that I want. And finally, I can save. I have the save button. I'll just save it.
So actual payment link, how you connect? Like it is linked to your GPay account or
No,
Paytm
here,
or Google?
yes, I'll tell you. Here we don't have any option for GPay account. There's only Razorpay account and one more. There are actually 3 more options that are available. Razorpay and I'll just show what are the pages available. So once if we take that, then maybe they'll have their own. I mean, they'll have their own percentage collection and all, but the course will be directly assigned to the user. Okay, but in this case, if we don't want that, if we don't want to go through any other payment gateway, then what we can do, we can send our GPay or we can send our InstaMojo to people. We can ask them to purchase that and then assign this course to them separately. Even that can be done. But if it is a 0 rupee course, then they can directly buy it from here. So like our free webinars now. Shouldn't be an issue. So I have just saved it. After, okay. So it is just showing me the preview of how it will look like. Since we have not changed anything, we have just changed the first thing. Okay, it is looking like this. Now again, I'll go to home. See, so this is the dashboard. So if I need to go to my course, I have to click on dashboard again. Then I'll go to that courses page now. So here, okay, I'll go to courses. Go to courses page. So published course is now 5. Earlier it was 4. Now it is 5. So I have to set up my landing page and save it as well, so that it becomes a complete site. Okay. So now I can again go to join. See, here we see 3 icons. One is like play the course. Another is the page that we have created. Third one is the landing page. I'll show the example of one which is already created so that we can know how it looks like. Okay. So for instance, I have for my past training. So when I go to play the course, it will show me it'll directly play the videos that I've uploaded already. This is how, if any user purchases, when they play, this is how it will look like. Okay. Now I'll go back. So, I mean, when I click here, click on this column, I can see what are the various titles I have uploaded. And see that. This is just for us to have a look at how we have uploaded and how it looks like. Fine. So when they click on next, they'll move on to next videos and so on. Now I have to move back.
Just play this video no, for a minute.
Okay, okay. Sorry. Go back to home. And from here, I'll go back to dashboard. Hey friends, welcome to this again video. In this video, you are going to learn what makes one.
Fine. Can you just take it 1 minute ahead? One. Just drag it to one. Perfect.
Very good knowledge and experience.
Okay, got it.
This case.
So you recorded it somewhere and then you uploaded here.
Yeah, I recorded it in Zoom and uploaded it here. Okay, but now I have also created a professional video wherein I went to studio, recorded it, edited it, and then recreated it. I had to upload it yet, so that's pending. So we just come back to the main page using publisher option. Okay, that's what I used. Now in this, if I go to the page, then this page will show me my landing page. So it is prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. So to know more or to purchase this course, they can just click here. When you say purchase the course, I mean, since I'm the owner, I'm not authorized to purchase the owner. But then when people click on that, they'll be directed to the payment gateway. So here when I come below, I have given the definition of how POSH will be helping them and what are the key elements of prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. Are the various things that are available here and so on. So depending on however I want my landing page to look like, I've designed it accordingly. So I'll go back to my so this third one that looks like tool. This is the course builder. So we can add up our sessions or we can add up our course in the tools, the tool section. I have only one section under which I have given multiple chapters. If we want to add up more section, we just go down. Yeah, I'll just tell you how we do that. So suppose I'm adding a chapter. I'll add a new section itself and I'll title this as joint course. Okay, so this section is created. under this section, I will add the chapter. So my first chapter would be, say, I'll put up Ramamridham sir's name. So that would be my first chapter. Okay. So here under this, I can upload a video. I can upload a PDF. I can embed my YouTube link. I can create assessment. I can create a live event.
So what is the advantage of, connecting or YouTube video? Like, even though we don't sell a program, other visitors can visit here, something like that?
Yes,
Or
yes. So if we just want to promote our free course, so why do we create, we need not add up new video. At the same time, we want to promote our YouTube link as well. At that case, we can just use this. Or in addition to the course, if we want to add up some YouTube reference.
yeah, I mean to
that
say,
also-
so will it be visible to people who are visiting for others courses also?
No, no.
It
no.
will be only only if
Only
somebody.
if the people chooses to buy this joint course session, they will have access to all these courses. Okay.
Got it.
So after we upload video, it takes certain time, some 10 to 15 minutes for the video to be processed and visible to us. So we have to wait till then. So I'm just clicking on this video link, and I'll try uploading a dummy video as of now. Okay. I'm just clicking on, okay. So after choosing video, add video file. So, okay, give me a moment. I'll go to desktop and, okay. So suppose I have added this video. So I have to just wait for it to get uploaded. Suppose we are giving them some Excel sheets for them to practice and all. So then we can have an add downloadable file. So here we can add a PDF, PPT, Excel, doc, zip, any file. So depending on how we want to build up our course, and few people will have certain tools to be practiced as well. So in that case, they can make use of this particular option. The file is uploaded now and it is scheduled for encoding. So it will take some 15-20 minutes to get scheduled, and it will appear as I've said. See, if you see here, if I click on content, it will just show me the video that I have uploaded. Okay, so like this. In order to get processed, it will take time, but then it will be visible within 15-20 minutes. So after that is done, we can add another chapter under this. So maybe I am again adding Suyog. Suyog is my next chapter. So I'm adding Suyog.
Just
So,
put Dr. Suyog.
okay. I'm putting this. So here again, I can add a video or I can add a PDF. Suppose I'm adding, yes, sir.
This will remain permanent, no? Or you want to
No,
change?
we can delete it. I'm
Oh,
just
okay, okay.
creating it for sample
Temporary.
purposes, just to,
Oh, okay, okay. Leave it.
Just
Okay.
sample example.
Okay, okay.
She's giving our name for.
Okay, okay. Then you can do anything. Yeah. Okay, you can
because
do.
I put some other video here which is irrelevant to our thing at all. So
Okay.
I can, okay, suppose I want to create an assessment. I'll just show you how that is created. I'm going to assessment link, then create assessment. Okay, so we can add either objective question or subjective question. And the best part is they will evaluate automatically. If it is an objective question, the paper will get evaluated automatically. We need not evaluate it. We can set everything here. So suppose I'm giving the exam out of 100 marks and I want them to score 80 marks to pass. So passing marks is 80. So now number of attempts, I want them to take only 3 attempts. So I'll put 3. So duration of the exam. Okay, since I have not created the exam yet, it is giving me an error that passing marks should not be more than the total marks. So actually this is done at the end, but I'm just showing it earlier itself. So we can also set the duration of the exam timing that we want to take. So I'll just say add objective question. And here like, tell me any question.
Okay. How many years we completed being a republic country?
3 years of a republic. Has been celebrated by India. This is the question. So we have to add few options. Say I add up 75.
But this question will be valid for 1 year.
So I paid.
So you can add 2022, January 2022. So it becomes correct.
Or you can give 4 options which will be valid for 4 years. But your answer will be still a problem.
4 options, and suppose this is the correct answer. Okay, suppose.
So none of this is correct option. No? 72 is a correct answer.
Yeah, okay. I was giving a sample, sir. So suppose, okay, 72. Okay, 72 is the correct answer. So I'll tick on 72. Okay, and if I want to give them some hint, maybe near to
70.
Near to centum. Near to 70 is a easy. So
You can say,
near to
yeah,
centum.
1950 here is the start. Okay.
Yeah, so I'll just say near to centum. So that will be my hint. So near to centum can be anything. It can be 80, it can be 72, it can be 100 itself. So anything. Okay. So suppose if you want to give some hint, you can give it. Otherwise, it's not mandatory. And whichever is the right option, I'll just select it, and it gets saved automatically. No, it gets saved automatically. I'm adding another objective question. So, which day is celebrated as Republic Day in India? And here we have to mention what is the marks. Now, since the total marks I have given there 80 as passing marks, I'll just randomly say it's for 50 marks. Okay, this is a random thing. I'm just doing it. Okay, and I'll just add an option here. Jan 25. Feb 14. 26. August 15. So again here I'm giving it as 50 marks. So that's it. So if I need to add any subjective question, this has to be tested manually. So why do we celebrate Republic Day? And again, this will have some, again, I'll say 50 minutes, okay? So they have to give the answers in the below line, and yeah. So I'll save it. I'll say now the passing marks is 80. It will be valid. Number of attempts is 3, and duration is 30 minutes. It will not take more than that to answer this. So I can say question shuffle. So when question shuffle is enabled, second time they are taking the same questionnaire, it will be toggled. It will not be same order of question.
Yeah,
It will
yeah.
be toggled.
Understood.
So I'm just saving and acha, correct. Okay. In second thing we didn't mark the correct answer. Okay. Now we can save it. Save and close. So so if we see my content assessment, open assessment. So anybody who is accessing this course, they have to click on open assessment in order to complete it. Okay. So this is how we can build our course. And once we have built our course, I can go to next. The next is where I'll get all the options for publishing my course. Here, see, I have given a page image. I've given the course name. I've given the price as $4.99. So it hasn't set as visible everything. I've added to posh course category. So when they purchase, they'll get the course directly. That option I've given. So all this has been done.
Checkout redirect means what will happen?
So
Play
on
the
checkout,
course. Okay,
on
once
after paying the course, they'll be able to play the course directly.
so they come and buy here. We share the link from here, and they make a payment and then access the course here.
But actually, there is one thing that I've done. So if I put $4.99 here, then people have to make payment in this platform in order to buy this course. So instead, if I put 0 here, I can give access to only those who have purchased my course directly.
So for that, then you need to have 2 type of settings then for the same course. One to pay here and one to pay outside. Is that how it should?
If we give the option of paying here, I'll tell you what is the problem. I'll just tell you once I show that payment thing. You remember I gave you an access and you saw my course. So that was because I had set in 0 or I had set in a special code. Okay, even that can be done. So once I've created, everything is done, I'll say next. So this is my landing page which I can design. In this case, I haven't decided design, so I'll just leave it as it is because it's already published. Okay, so this is how we add up our course and will publish our course. The next thing is when I go to analytics, I can see here under analytics, I can see how many people have purchased my course. So probably instead of all course, I would say, okay, nobody has purchased directly from here. So, okay, give me a moment. We have an option here. spoken Hindi. I'll go to the Earning Hindi Medias course. Okay. Now let's say search. Now, this has been purchased by 6 people in the past. Okay, engaged user 6. Certificate issued none. Okay, because there is not a certificate course. Now when I come down, I can see who and all have purchased my course and how much have they learnt from here. For instance, Suresh has bought it, but he has just seen maybe 1 or 2 videos. Vasudevan, he has just started the first thing and he has left off. Prakash, he has still seen few courses, and Lavanya has just seen starting. It's not 100% complete at all. So likewise, we can just know who all have purchased, what is their assessment program, and when did they watch it last. So this analytics we get directly. And when I go to transactions, so here is how we'll know earnings and refunds and all. When say earnings, we'll just know what is the total earning and all. Since I haven't used this platform, this payment platform, my total earning is shown as 0. Because here the I mean the gateway charge was higher than InstaMojo, so I preferred using InstaMojo. These are all show earning by course, like each course how much have they earned, and see here like it's all says paid amount 1,500 for each course. So the price is 1,500. Since it was in discount, they have got this particular discount and they've purchased this course. So that's what it is shown here. But we can get the option of how each course has performed, what is the number of earnings and all. So when it comes to see, coupons is one more option which we can use. Okay, this is what I have used for giving them free access to the course. So I've created a coupon for learning Hindi, which is like 100% discount value. So for instance, I'm adding a course coupon. So coupon code would be, it can be anything depending on what is the course. For instance, I'm giving a coupon for Posh course. So I'll say PF. So Posh free. A number of users allowed, maybe I'm setting it to 100. Discount type in percentage or USD or money, how do you want? So I say I want it in percentage. I don't want in price, I want in percent. And I'm giving 100% discount. Valid from which date to which date? So from today till they purchase till 31st Jan, they can get it free of cost. So it's not for all courses. So I'll untick this button. I'll just say single or multiple course. And now it gives me an option to select the course for which I'm giving free access. For instance, for joint meeting, I'm giving free access. So I'll just say joint meeting, I'll select it and I'll say create. This coupon is already created. So I mean, though we have earlier also put 0 only for joint meeting. Anyways, suppose we had given some amount for that. So in that case, this code will enable the users to purchase it free of cost. Okay, and earnings. Yeah, earnings we just saw all these things. Earnings we saw. Okay, this payout probably is this section wherein we can add the. Okay, this payout is where we can add up the Knorish gateway. if we want Knorish to be our payment gateway directly, then we can choose this option when they have set the threshold as 5,000 rupees. I mean, once I receive 5,000 rupees through my courses, you can transfer to my account. That is how the threshold has been set here. And I have to give my bank details here in order to make all the courses as okay. So currently this is my usage. So I have a balance of 4396. The moment it reaches 5,000, it will be directed to me. Okay. Or what I can do, I can change this threshold. I'll just see if I have an option of changing. Okay. Minimum threshold is 5,000. So I'll not be having an option of changing it. So maybe one more person have to purchase my course so that I get the amount credited. So that is the maybe I also don't remember a few courses I've just given them direct purchase in this website. So that is how it is showing this balance. Okay. That is the payout thing that is here. But then now we cannot go ahead with this payout option because we are three of us, and it should not be I mean, if we collect the money in single account, then it'll be difficult for us to uh, give it to others, or it'll be a clash over there. So maybe it'll be better if we don't use this. So I'll just check where is the option of payment gateway as well. I'm just not getting that option.
You can check in earnings or no? That is only
Earnings is only, but it shows what is the earning that we have made
you're
from
done.
this particular course. Yeah.
Okay.
So the refund is also like not for us. Payout was what we have seen. GST. No, okay. This is okay, see, so our expiry date is 3rd March 2023. So till then we have our plan. This 12 month subscription plan that we have purchased currently. That's what this billing shows. Here under settings, no, see, I got this option. So under website builder, we have settings, and under settings we have this integration. So integration is where we can integrate the payment gateway. So it's allowing us PayPal, Stripe payment gateway, and Razorpay payment gateway. These are three things that are allowed. So if somebody already has this, then we can use this as well.
How we can use this, because three of us are there? How we can use this?
See, because as I showed you in earnings.
No, I mean to say, so suppose
Yeah.
here you enter your account detail, and even I also want to enter, and Ramaji also want to enter his details. How we can?
No, we have to enter only a single account. We cannot enter 3 different accounts. That won't be possible. So maybe it is better we don't use this at all.
So suppose somebody want to directly buy our courses online.
We can just tell them, no, you pay through GPay link and the course will be assigned to you.
No. So in our network, we will sell it and we'll collect the payment directly. But now the advantage of this platform is that our courses somebody want to buy directly, like you have seen in your case also, no, 4,000.
Okay.
So Anyway, this is visible to all three of us, no? So
Yes, this is visible to all three of
so
us.
I don't mind to keep your account also, and whatever comes.
Go to transaction, and when we go to earning, no, we just get to know what is the earning per course. Now,
Yeah,
since it is only one course, we don't have. Wait, I can show you two variations because there was another course from my co-trainer which was published earlier. I'll just see where is the option for that. Give me a minute. Instead of
so per
earning,
course wise also we have that, no? You shown us
yeah,
per course, so
course.
that is visible. That is okay. That is not a problem. You have to just transfer
Because
money to us.
inner wellness, there's only one purchase, I guess. And so I'm just okay. Instead of this, I'll put.
So it's okay. I understood. Course wise also we can see the purchases,
Yeah,
because
course wise
my
also
course will be
wellness.
to me. So what if money comes to you, you can just transfer it to us.
Transfer, huh? Even that can be done. So total transaction here is only one, and the person who has purchased this is again the Hindi course that is showing on recent course earnings, but the above course it is showing just total transactions one. There's no payout as such that has happened here because she collected the payment directly and just assigned this course to them. So that is the reason it's just showing the transaction that has happened, but the cost is not here. So yes, this is how we can check out
Yeah,
the
yeah.
earnings.
And maybe you can check with their customer care also if you have access. That how if you want to keep three different.
No,
thing.
that I asked while we
Okay.
had a call last week itself. They said it's not possible.
Not okay. They already told you not possible.
Yeah, it's
Then
not.
no point in finding.
Since it's only single user here, we don't have that option. Maybe the advanced or the next version might have that option.
Correct.
So what I thought, maybe probably first we'll take this
Correct. Correct.
here, how it works for us. Once it works properly, we can go for the next version as well.
Agree. Agree. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. So I think mostly these are the things that we should know here.
No, I think this is very good platform because a lot of designing part and landing page part is done here. So we
Yes.
don't have to put extra efforts. We have to just pick and choose our images.
True, true.
How you build the content, like you just, so I understood we recorded video and you put it. So
I
suppose,
record video in Zoom.
and
That's
then
how I
if
do it.
you, so we have to create separately our PPT or PDF and then upload here.
If you want to have PPTs and all,
In
I'll have
live session, in live
anybody.
session.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll start the share so that. Okay. Yes, you sir. Tell me.
Yeah. So in live session, suppose we want to use our content. So here, this platform is only useful for images for landing page only. Otherwise, I have to pull my videos or PDF or PPT from my original source and place it here.
Yeah. I mean, this platform will not have its own PPT or something. It will.
Correct. Got it. Got it.
It's for us only. Yeah.
So that's better. Yeah. Easy to do.
It's only hosting for videos. That's it. Our
It's
recorded
just
video,
hosting platform, correct?
yeah, recorded videos and materials we can host. People can
Correct.
use it in a controlled way. YouTube, if you put it in YouTube, everyone can access, or you need to control it with unlisted and all that. But here you can see, as she has shown all the progress, who is accessing what and all that.
Correct. Correct. Got it. Fine then. My point is clear.
So I'll give the username and password so that even you can explore on your own, so that you'll get to know, okay, what is to be done and what is not to be done.